This is the line follower sensor from the Climate Action Kit. It has 3 infrared or IR sensors on it that both emit light and then detect when that light is returned. On lighter, more reflective surfaces, the infrared light will bounce back into the sensor and turn on. This will send an active signal. On darker, less reflective surfaces, less light bounces back and turns the signal off. When 3 of these sensors are combined and the right code is implemented, this component can then follow a dark line on a light surface. The sensor includes a ball and caster to act as a third wheel in vehicle builds, but also allows for the correct spacing between the surface and the sensors to get accurate readings. It connects to one of the 4 sensor ports at the top of the breakout board with the matching sensor icon, or by daisy-chaining other smart components to the sensor ports on the breakout board. First, we'll plug the microbit into the computer with the USB cable, and then the microbit into the breakout board, and then turn the breakout board on. Next, plug in the line follower into one of the sensor ports on the breakout board. And if you don't see the simulator pop up right away, remember to hit download to download some blank code. Once that's finished, you should see the simulator pop up and then it actually respond to you in real time.